You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Word pronunciation. Let's go through, so to make sure that you absolutely nail the pronunciation. Text-to-image models. There's different numbers, 2 and 3, and the first, the original one. Dall-E. Yeah, not Dall. It's like you could separate the D and then all, right? Just like how you say the word all, spelling A-L-L, all. So Dall, and then the letter E itself. Not Dall-E, that's a Spanish painter, right? Dall-E. Dall-E. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.